Everybody in life is selfish. As soon as you accept it as fact and change your worldview on that, flip your worldview away from, hey, me. I'm walking around the world figuring out what other people can do for me. Change that because it's not true. Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about you. And as soon as you change that and you walk around the world thinking, hey, all of these people are selfish, every single person. How can I make their life better? And we set up a win-win situation. The great thing about life is that there's situations that can be win-win, meaning two people who are selfish can get together and they both get what they want.
Hmm.
That's a business partnership. That's an employment relationship. That's anytime you interact with other people. So if you can set up these win-win situations with other people, you can accomplish, you can move mountains basically.
I think it's a superpower to understand the fact that nobody owes you anything. The world owes you absolutely nothing. You have to earn it every single day. You have to add more value to your customers, to your colleagues, to your employees every single day. If you ever think you're entitled or that I've earned this, you're wrong. Like I feel like this is right in your ethos with Sweaty Startup and the way that you approach the world. No, whatever I've done in the past, it doesn't matter. Like, especially for my clients, some people think like, well, we've done some good work, so we should have the contract extended for years. No, we should have the contract extended for the next hour. And then I have to earn it that hour too. Just like writing a book, you have to earn every turn of the page, edit that thing down to make it as good as it can possibly be, because it's all about adding value to people's lives. And I think if people show up every day thinking, how can I add maximum value to the people's lives around me, whether that's who you work with or your customers or whoever, I like your chances. I like your odds of good things happening if that is your mindset, as opposed to saying, well, I deserve a lot more. I'm entitled to more because of how hard I work. As you said, nobody, literally not a single human on earth cares. And
There's
you are
something I
entitled to, yeah, go ahead. You're entitled to nothing. Like you have to earn it every second of every day.
So there's some folks out there in school or in corporate America or in any club or business environment, and I'm about to give them frankly, some cold, hard truth
Yeah.
about networking. I want to tell them how I feel about networking, and I want to shift their mindset on networking. When I was in college, I went to networking events, and I didn't realize this till later, but every single person at that networking event, they walked around with their hand out saying, help me, 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 shaking hands. Hey, how can you help me? Hey, how can you help me? Oh, by the way, can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? That's how 95% of people network. They walk into every single interaction, whether they're picking the brain of a mentor or they're talking to a career advisor or they're trying to get a new job or they're at a networking event with other business professionals, Rotary, whatever club you're in, and they walk around thinking, how can these people help me? And as you can imagine, college networking events are damn near worthless because nobody can help anybody there. They don't have any skills yet.
Mm-hmm.
So you have a bunch of people walking around shaking each other's hands trying to help me, but nobody has any actual skills. That's why these networking events are damn near worthless when you're in college. Should you still go to them? Yes, but you should change your mindset. And when it comes to networking, I have kind of a unfortunate truth. And the unfortunate truth about networking is that if you're not an expert at something, if you haven't done something, accomplished something, networking is going to be damn near impossible because everybody's selfish. My network exploded after I built a self storage facility for $2.9 million and it became worth $6 million because people were like, oh, damn, Nick can help me. If I talk to
Mm-hmm.
Nick about storage, he's my guy. He can help me. He can help me. So their selfish attitude drew them to me because I had something to add to the table. So that's why everybody wants to talk to and know successful business owners because they're good at something. They have things to add. They can make your life better. So step one, the very unfortunate thing, if there's a lot of people listening to this who maybe they don't have skills, maybe they didn't become a real estate expert, whatever it might be, before you go networking, get really good at something. Go do the work, build a business, build a career, become a master at whatever it is you are doing, whether it's accountancy, a brokerage, management, whatever it is. show everybody that you have something to add to the table, and something amazing happens. Your network explodes.